Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations, how to downgrade iOS, how to roll back iOS on any iPhone device, either deliberately or, yes, mistakenly updated with latest iOS beta versions. Now you would like to roll back according to your own choice, and then of course this can be the possible. There is some status that we need executions in the proper way, and of course you will be able to either it is assigned or unsigned iOS, and this can be installed in any iPhone device. So right now we will check it out manually. Firstly, let's see, is your iPhone recommending to a downgrade or not by mistakenly if you have updated with the latest beta version. So here, tap on a general 2. Of course we will click on a software update, and it has started to check it out. Now we can see here clearly it's essential that up to date. We don't have any opportunity to downgrade by especially this automatically this device. So we'll go for an administration, that is 3U tool. In 3U tool, guys, here what we will do, just we will tap on smart flash. A smart flash 2, of course we will click on a firmware and check it out by selecting of the model number, of course, or device. So this is a special, I mean 16 or 13 series. So what we will do, guys, here now that we can see on this firmware, tap on it, and now that we can see these all are signed versions. So signed version is especially here right now 26.6 is functioning and 26.5 is recommending that you can downgrade. So one point we can downgrade, except beta version we can go on a normal versions and unsigned iOS. If you would like to go, firstly let's learn the signed versions. We will tap on a easy flash, to here. Just what we will do, guys, here we have a two out of them. One is a beta version, so this will not, this is normal version. Yes, now that we can see 26.6, so normal version is especially 26.5, so directly we can download, and after downloading that we will select the retain user data, so the without losing in data that we can go for. If you would like to lose data, then go with the especially quick flash mode or anti-recovery, or if iOS has been damaged, then we will select in the fix flash, guys. But by that, especially we will go with especially after selections. Let's firstly we will have to download, and after downloading then we will go for simply, suppose this one we had elected, and we will go for here. So here this would be especially, don't select the fixed battery during especially fixed battery also during flash, especially because of you will have to especially put this device from say especially recovery to DFU manually. So that's why little bit it will be especially a tough task for you, but if you are aware then you can go with the especially, but surely your battery draining the problem would be fixed by selection of this. But right now we would like to go with the unsigned iOS. So how it is, simply we will click on especially and the firmware too, especially now that we can see once again we will start to now firstly we will have to come on a toolbox, and if you are going to be the especially unsigned iOS, so we will select this and keep it on this, I mean send it. So let's see, it's taking time. Now that we came on here, yes we had done. Now what we will do, guys, here once again we will come down a smart flash to on the especially tap on a firmware to this iOS, and this iOS design already mentioned to it, but we will come there 18.5 or 6 iOS. So if you would like to go with this person without doing a jailbreak, if you want to go, then tap on this, and here, and jailbreak option would be especially showed. We can go with especially 16.5 iOS, and there if you need jailbreak, then directly you can download and go for installation it. But right now we would like to go with especially 18. iOS according to 18.6 iOS, especially due to my especially the requirements. So just we will tap on all and all to here 18.6 last ones in this, and we will start to download. So we can see clearly it has started to download, and of course internet speed is quite slow, guys, so it's taking a little bit time. So but this would be especially now see, but it's asking 1 hour ago. So let's see. Suppose here we have a just I would like to show you with without verification how do you go with this. Now we will select the retain user data, And without losing any data, if you would like to select the local firmware, and we will go for here. Suppose here this is a 10.6 hours, so just we are elected. Now what we will do, just make it do it, and don't select. I had already mentioned to you. So now see the firmware from 26.6 to 16.7.16 hours would be especially within one click you will be able to, guys, here. Just we will close this profile downloading, and then of course you can go for. So easily this will be special, but right now we have to go with the special 18.6 hours. So we are waiting for the complete download, and then the further we will go for. So hi, this is all about in this video tutorials. Video will not be lengthy, that's why I'm going to the cuts now. But of course, do a similar strategy. Any confusion, the query you will have, so then of course drop the query in the comment box. A pleasure would remain to reply your query, guys. So hi, this is Technological Fan. We'll be back with a step-by-step with new tutorials. So don't forget to join this channel for further updates related to iOS as well as, of course, Android or the operating system, the Windows, PC, laptops. Thank you for watching Technological Fan. Have a great time. Bye-bye.